Alright guys, I went to a gaming store and I got a keyboard and LEDs, but the LEDs are for another video. So I'm going to do an unboxing with the keyboard. Alright guys, so this is the keyboard. Alright, so as soon as you open it, you see the keyboard bubble wrap. Alright guys, so this is the keyboard. It's not turned on or anything. And it sounds pretty good. And I'll give it a 9 out of 10. And I'm going to go plug it in and show you. Alright, so this is it all lit up. It has 10 different modes, but I don't know how to change it. Thank you for 130 subscribers. Peace.